Hello today. In this video, we will go through setting up a place using Microsoft Map. Before we start, I want to ask you if you find this helpful video to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, where I share tips and tricks to small business owners to get ahead of their competition. You may ask, why would you want to add your place to Microsoft Maps? And the simple answer is that this may help your customers to find you using Microsoft Maps or using Bing search engine that defaults to Edge browser, which is the default browsing software to Microsoft operating system like Windows 10 or 11. So let's start. From the start button we will type maps and maximize it. And in the left button corner we have selection where we can suggest change and help Microsoft do a better job with their maps. We choose the option a place is missing and new window will open. We have a few options in that window and we select an option add business or a landmark. In the new windows we enter data to help our selection. We will switch to aerial view and put a pointer in the right direction. After we set our pointer, we can add additional information like primary phone number, website, or working information. After entering all the data we want to click submit and the job is almost complete, and we will have our place added to Microsoft Maps and Bing search engine in no time. This is all for this video, and follow us in our next video.